Welcome and hello everyone. My name is Gordon Feener and I'm an attorney located in Boston, Massachusetts with a satellite office in Stoneham, Mass. During the course of this video, I'd like to focus on the examination under oath provision of your insurance policy, along with some points for you to consider in deciding whether to hire an attorney for your appearance at an examination under oath. Before I begin discussing the examination under oath in detail, I'd like to briefly summarize my background. I have been in business as an attorney for more than 30 years with a concentration in homeowner and property-related insurance claims. Prior to starting this office, I worked for approximately 20 years in the insurance industry as an adjuster, senior adjuster, and senior property claims examiner, supervising the adjustment of claims by both staff and independent adjusters. In the event that you have suffered damage to your home or contents and have filed a claim under your homeowner insurance policy, the insurance company has a right under both Massachusetts General Law, Chapter 175, Section 99, and the insurance policy language itself, to require you, the insured, to submit to an examination under oath in order to ask you questions concerning the facts and circumstances surrounding your loss and your claim. In summary, the insurance company can require the insured, as often as may be required, to submit to examination under oath by any person named by the insurance company, and the insurance company can require you as the insured, as often as may reasonably be required, for you to produce documents, records concerning your claim at such a reasonable time and place as may be designated by the insurance company or their representative. The following points are being offered not as legal advice, but for you, the homeowner, to consider. The first point for you to consider is, why is the examination under oath being conducted? Ask yourself whether it's being done for your benefit or is it being done for the benefit of the insurance company. I suggest to you that in many cases the examination under oath is not being done for the benefit of the insured, but for the benefit of the insurance company, in order for them to formulate a position concerning your claim using your sworn testimony. In most cases, the examination under oath is being done by an insurance defense attorney who is experienced in asking questions. In most cases, this will be the first time that you, the homeowner, have been asked to submit to an examination under oath. In most cases, the examination under oath will be conducted in a conference room inside a law office and not in an environment in which you are comfortable. Typically, the examination under oath can last anywhere from 3 to 5 hours. It is not unusual for a lunch break to be taken and for the examination to continue for an additional 1 to 3 hours. In most cases, the insurance company attorney will have spent significant time preparing the questions that you will be asked. You, as the homeowner, have a right to be represented by an attorney of your own choosing and at your expense to accompany you, prepare you, and sit at your elbow during the examination. In choosing an attorney, you should consider an attorney who is familiar with the homeowner insurance policy and who is also familiar with the examination under oath process. You may be familiar with the term deposition. However, the examination under oath process is different than a deposition. In a deposition, the questions that can be asked are somewhat regulated by the Massachusetts Rules of Civil Procedure. In an examination under oath, there are no similar rules governing the examination. Should you, the homeowner, refuse to submit to an examination under oath, the insurance company can deny your claim solely based on your failure to cooperate. The following points are again given as suggestions, not to be taken as legal advice. During the examination under oath, you need to tell the truth. Do not lie, do not fabricate. Remember that everything you say is being taken down by a court reporter who is creating a written record. Think before you speak. If necessary, repeat the question to yourself and formulate your answer before you start speaking. Generally, do not bring any documents, papers, or notes to the examination, with the exception of those that you have been instructed to bring in response to the notice of examination. Do not answer a question that you do not understand. If you do not understand the question that's being asked by the examiner, tell the examiner you do not understand the question. Do not guess or speculate about anything. If you do not know, say, I do not know. I do not know is an acceptable answer as long as it is truthful. You are not required to know everything. Answer simple questions with a yes or a no. If you cannot answer the question with a simple yes or no, answer only the question that is being asked. Do not guess or speculate as to what other people might know. If you do guess or speculate, make it clear that you're guessing and speculating so that it is clear for the record. Do not explain your thought process or how you reached an answer to a specific question. If you are asked about information contained within a document which has been marked as an exhibit at the examination, ask to see that document before you answer and take as much time as you need to review the document before you answer. Do not let the examiner put words in your mouth. Do not accept the examiner's characterization or summary of facts of times, personalities, or events unless it is 100% true. Do not accept the examiner's summary of your prior testimony again unless you're certain that that summary is 100% correct. Do not answer a compound question, which is two or more questions stated as one, unless you are certain that you understand all parts of that question and you can answer that question with a single answer. If the examiner interrupts you before you've completed your answer to a question, wait until the examiner finishes the interruption and then finish your answer to the original question. If you are finished with an answer and the answer is complete and truthful, do not expand upon it. Do not add to your answer just because the examiner looks at you expectantly or remains silent. Remember, there is no such thing as off the record. Anything that you may say during the examination under oath may prompt further questions. If the examiner appears to be confused, do not attempt to educate the examiner. Again, answer only the question that you are being asked. Many times, documents are marked as an exhibit. And again, read the document and do not make any comments about the document except in response to a specific question that is being asked by the examiner. Do not become overly concerned or nervous if you've realized you've made a mistake or testified inconsistently. If you realize during the examination that you have made a mistake, correct the mistake as soon as you realize it. If you realize the mistake after the examination, you may be able to correct it on the transcript if you're given the opportunity to read and sign the transcript. If you suffer a loss and are having difficulty with your insurance company, or if you have been asked to appear for an examination under oath, or you have been asked to submit for a recorded interview, please feel free to contact the law office of Gordon Feener and Associates to discuss your loss and your specific homeowner insurance policy. For additional information, you may wish to visit our website at www.homeownerclaims.com. In conclusion, I'd like to thank you for watching this video and remind you that this video can be considered to be advertising under the ethical rules. Any selection of an attorney should be a careful and thoughtful decision. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I invite you to watch my other videos concerning homeowner claim. And again, have a good day.